If you are looking for amazing hosting or coupon code through which you can save up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger, then you are the right place. What you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed over here. Now I'm going to tell you how you can claim up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger through the link in the description. Once you click over here, look around over here, the first thing is going to be 30 days money back guarantee, which is an amazing thing from Hostinger. You may see an up to 85% off deal over here, but I'm going to make it 95% for you. So follow this step-by-step tutorial. Scroll below and look around on 71,000 reviews on Trustpilot. Let's see what people are saying regarding Hostinger. Also, I have 30 days money back guarantee over here, but still I like to see what people are saying regarding Hostinger. I'm just telling you as well. So look around the 5-star, 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 5-star. So see, this is the first company that I found offered the drag and drop feature of building a website. I hated having to learn something else just to build a small one like mine. It made it so much easier, and I have recommended this to others. Yeah, even everyone is recommending, they never stop impressing me and giving me reasons to keep moving forward. So you can see everyone is satisfied, and even I am satisfied as well from my last 5 years of experience, which is why I'm here with a special discount link and a coupon code for my audience. So scroll below over here, and you can see around where Hostinger offer you WordPress website. So if you're coming from another hosting company, you can simply claim your WordPress website and get your website done. I mean, if you're creating a new website and if you're coming from another hosting company, you can offer migrate to Hostinger, and Hostinger is going to shift all of your website easily, data free of cost. So creating a new website or migrating to Hostinger is very easy with Hostinger. Just click, and Hostinger's team is going to help you. Scroll below. Now move on to the plans over here where you can save up to 95% discount. So the best thing is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime. All of the plans are 24/7 support. So my recommendation is to do a thorough research of all the plan features functions before opting for one, and you can get up to 95% discount on any of the plan. If you ask me which plan I'm using, the business plan is the one I'm using, but the unlimited plan is a good one as well. So see around which one you like, do your research, and after this simply select the choose plan with your research. It's right now 79% off, but with this coupon code it's going to be 95% off. So make sure to click on the link in the description, and now simply select the choose plan, and I'm going to tell you how you can get up to 95% discount with this amazing coupon code deal from Hostinger. So now selecting on billing periods, Hostinger offer you by default 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. If you want to save the maximum amount of money, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months, because these prices won't appear again. These are one-time special exclusive prices for my audience. So I want you guys to take the advantage of this amazing coupon code deal. After this, you can claim a free domain by writing over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as each one. So you can claim your free domain anytime. I'm just doing it right now, so you guys have an idea how you can do it. I'm going to make it 1 year, so I don't have to pay anything additional, because the free domain is only valid for the first year. After this, you can see your order summary over here. It's 79% off, and now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. Once you apply this coupon code, you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount. So do your maths. It's 48 months at 79% plus add daily backup plus add free domain plus add 10% more with this coupon code. So 79 plus 10 is 89% plus daily backup, free domain and free mailboxes is more than 95% savings for you, and your 30 days money back guarantee is valid. After this, simply select the continue. You may be asked to log in at Hostinger or need to create a new account, but since I'm already logged in, so I move on to the last part over here. So before you do your payment, see your order summary is everything is fine, your coupon code is loaded, see edit your billing address, write your billing details over here, and simply select the continue to move on to the last button, that is doing payment. Now Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, you can pay by PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, China Alipay, Hong Kong, and CoinGate for crypto payments. You can use anyone as per your convenience, and the good thing is that the procedure is very easy and quickly, and anyone can do it on their own. After you write payment details, within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. Just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from last 5 years and my experience so far is very good, which is why I'm here with special amazing coupon code deal from Hostinger. So these are limited time deals, and I want you guys to take the advantage of these deals before they last. So simply click on the link in the description and use the coupon code to enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck with this amazing coupon code.